What's good, Yurp too? Yo, so we just got back from the sushi bar. We're about to go ahead and do this mask opening my girl got from the hair salon. Kind of cool. She found this thing. Looks like an otter and one looks like a panda. They both do different things. This one right here is an aqua mask sheet, and this one is a brightening sheet.
So this brightens my skin.
And this one is supposed to reinforce moisture.
Because he needs it. Y'all hear that?
But yeah, let's just open them up and see what we got here.
Wait, we gotta read the steps.
What's first?
Step 1. After washing, prepare for mask treatment and tone skin by moisturizing your skin. So, we have to wash our face. Okay. We're back. Nice clean faces. Now, let's see what these things look like. You sure you don't want to trade? I kind of like blue.
Step 2. Wear the mask. Follow the cutting. Leave the eyes and mouth a space. Alright, well, let's do that. See what they look like. Off rip, they smell really good.
They smell like those moisture wipes that you use when you're eating seafood. Those wet naps.
It actually says it's made with coconut water, so yeah, that's really good.
Why I feel so slimy? You see that?
Oh man, yeah, it does feel kind of like snot almost. Gross.
Oh man, I thought these were gonna be like, I don't know what I was expecting, just better. I thought they were gonna actually be like the ones you peel off. But hey, this is just a first time, so now I know next time to get something different. I'm just gonna try all the brands. I'm gonna try every single peeling mask thing out there. I want to get that black mask next. You heard about the black mask?
Yeah, I heard about it. Yeah, I heard it's a good like exfoliator.
It gets rid of like black hair.
See, that's for exfoliating. This right here is supposed to be for moisture. It feels like what? Alright, let's see.
Okay, cool. Here, you put mine on, I'll put yours on.
Oh, alright. Let's do it. Oh, I can't see.
Sorry.
Nose.
Shut the hell up. Making me smile.
Alright. Serious.
Oh, your beard's in the way.
It feels like it's sliding off my face right now.
What's that movie called? When they go around killing everybody. It's a lot of movies that kill everybody. The one where there's like a special day you can kill somebody and you can get away with it.
Oh, The Purge.
Oh, yeah. I feel like we belong in the Purge, y'all. What do pandas make? What kind of sound does a panda make?
Panda, panda, panda.
Panda.
I got broads in London.
Just to be in the family. Credit card.
So what's next? Alright. Step 3, leave the mask 10 to 20 minutes and take it off.
How long have we been off?
I don't know. Let's just count from now.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see the results. Oh yeah. I mean, it feels good. What'd you say? Skin definitely feels a lot better. That's deep moisture right there. Let's get a close up.
It says to gently let the essence absorb into skin cell walls. And you do that by massaging and dabbing the face. Dab the face. Nah, I'm just kidding. Massage and dab. Now I'm not gonna say anything about what it feels like. Cause, yeah. Sure. Cause I know somebody over here is gonna take it and go way left field. So I'm gonna keep my comments to myself about what this feels like.
I guess it kind of does look like an otter, right?
We are going to find some better face masks. We're gonna get some ones that you actually put on like a paste and it peels off real stretchy.
But I mean, if you think about it, they're two different masks. I mean, one does a totally different thing. These right here are meant to moisturize. The ones that we were thinking about, like the black mask and the ones that we see everybody else using, they're actually for exfoliating. Like, they moisturize too, but they're for, like, you know what I'm saying, they remove blackheads and the different kind of, you know, bumps and things that might, you know, pop up, and you know, it's good for your skin still, you know, but it's just a different part of skincare. It's just moisturizing right here.
Alright, so that's the end of our video. So make sure you subscribe,
Like,
and hit that notification button because we upload every week.